eyes. Cook eyes. Look at that.
Look at this.
You know what? What's this, guys? This is
Cookie eyes.
yeah, it's cookie. It's a cookie blind box. Can you imagine? It's happy birthday daw.
It's
These
happy birthday.
cookies or cookies ay galing kay Miss B. They are bakers. Bakers sila magkapatid. Tapos, they made this edition na parang cookie blind box. So, let's open it, guys! Yan o, may ganyan. So, meron din silang secret. Tapos, ayan.
Yan o.
So, yan.
At ito yan. Yung cookie blind box. Cookie ice cream.
Okay, edible to, guys, ha? So, nakakain. Cookies ka talaga. Ang laman niya, cookies talaga.
What?
Yeah! You can eat it. I thought it was
Now or later?
No!
Yay!
Come on, ready? Are you ready to open?
2, 1.
Go! Let's all open together! Show them the picture.
I got the happy birthday. A happy birthday, Vicky.
Let's show it right there. There! It's color black.
What is it?
Oh wait, my buddy.
Ah!
Okay, show it.
Open, mommy. Open, mommy. Open.
Wow! Yummy! Is it good?
I thought it was a toy.
No! Wow, what's that?
Eye.
Eyes!
Eye.
Show them,
I
show them.
like your eye.
One eye, two eyes. Can you eat it?
Look, I have a pink
Wow.
one. I have a pink one.
You have a pink one. Wow, I think I got the chocolate chip.
Like it.
And it's ube. It's ube. You wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. I think I'm gonna get this one.
Oh, is it ng cookies mo?
Mommy, can I try? Oh, yeah.
Try. It's ube. Then we have the ube.
Because this is classic cookie. Mommy, how? With eyes? How?
Oh! Classic chips.
Mommy, how?
I think this is the secret. The ube.
It's for Daddy, Rita, Royale. Mommy,
Okay.
do you have ube? For Daddy,
Here.
Royale.
Wow! Look at that. Show it to them. No, show it to them the eyes. Look, oh.
Oh, ano? You got the, you got the secret.
I got the secret. I think I got the secret. The ube is so good. It's 4 eyes?
Yeah.
Why is it 4 eyes?
It's one eye.
Oh, can you open this again? Oh. Show it to them. What's that?
I want red velvet. Can you have this one? No. Hey, ito.
Hmm.
Can you have this? Let's eat it.
Oh, sorry.
Can you have this?
It's so good.
No.
Thank you, cookies.
Ito, mommy.
It's okay. Thank you, sis. Say thank you, cookies.
Thank you,
Thank you, cookies. Or cookies.
Mommy,
By Miss B. It's so good. It's so nice. Ang ganda ng packaging nyo. Sobrang perfect. Yes. See? Diba?
Also got
Oh.
best
Say
secret.
bye.